Hi dear friends, I'm so happy to invite you to my new tutorial online course about these beautiful and stylish bright earrings. We will make exactly this color in this tutorial, but as you can see here I have another two bright pairs for this summer. Orange and gold, and I have yellow as well. You will be able to create this model of the earrings and colors you can choose yourself. You can see from the back they are beautiful as well, and actually one of my models wear them first like this. She thought that this is the main pattern of the earring, and she just closed it, and it was actually nice. And from there I understood that if you really want, you can even wear them double-sided, or you can make this as a face part and this back side if you want. It doesn't require a lot of different materials, but in the meantime the result is just amazing. All necessary materials you will find in PDF file attached to this course. And now I would like to welcome you to our first lesson.